Ayopem so wahane nine echiri ponson. Imprempren die megyina ye Kwame Nkrumah school pon ne mu. Na nanu wukwa de etwa mu eye aye hu mobo ne bosome ne de to sudu. E wa afiye mu na osubrantam bi toye frɛ nwumere be nonkro. Tre ya bepem eye ya wada aye hu mobo bosome ne de to sudu baako. Anopa be nonkro kubo nondo ne mu. Deno na esu a etini free kenti nkrono abefa Kwame Nkrumah school pon ne mu. Eye esuo wewe eyiri fa so. Said wani twa no nsamso e wo school pon ne mu fa dodo na eyire meka meja baako bebi mpo na ekwan da ho a ehyentimi fa so efa yenuano ma efi de duako kotie wonu efi apiedu emna boadi etwam aye duase nyinada ebesna etwam afa school pon no makotek junction na watu aso akokumase adumedi na obi enya kwan ho asemi koya ahometisem ye ye ka agya hwan esuafo yi ana wono mo nso wo mo kwa ho ye hia mu yi pa asemi si pepepe suko yi mo mpanimfo anti ana wono mo ne asante mantem komisa honorable Dr. Franka Mwakohene edo mo ntoma bo ano ene atorenchem bremu aboafo etu ho anamo Jampany said your part and your belting, na di ojina wo eni atentrodo. Ne senti, ye ne asuafo e bi endwetwe nkomo.
Go pharmacy school 4th year pharmacy student. Nti anopa no me bo am ho be school. Me do continue na about them ka chem say area ha na yi. Nti a class rep no edit to group me say because say higher flood nti lectures need to be match. Nti I cancel that lecture. And I say the next one year ready. Yeah, but not the next one year around 10. Until you train around by 10 because still the place is still flooded into the whole day. Me the mechanic say one young students, you know, we should not throw things like waste substances anyhow. I think there are places somewhere there's been said also this place in here is known for those things, but from years back, we were during the dry season, no more barbeting. Especially remember first year, say, somewhere dry season, no more barbeting. We didn't see these things. Remember 4 years, and this is the first time I experienced this. And this is ABA, Sani Mana Yanya Nuntina, Amana across the side.
2019, no, a buy no, a battle, after then, on be a petty gattenim, but almost gattenim up to now, since only to a cost another problem by because almost got anymore. I know is a back got a sign block. Yes, I just say, Omuntimi ain't for concrete will be MIA. Say, intimi and broke waste Libya because Osha Kunti area where a lot of rubbish are ever inside. No, ye here near my bit me a civil so. Nan Sunan Casa at me, I take away. Nti endo na yehia sanka aban meye mwa wo sumasi
Ena mo nhyehyɛ ya atorenchem bremu aboafo ne school ne mpanimfo ne asante mantem komisa e de agu akwan mu nti yehunu ne sɛ adwuma ekoso a esio wewe ye atimu ne senti ye ne atorenchem bremu aboafo adwumayɛfo ampempen wɔne di dwuma wɔ hɔ no nso entwetwe nkomo
Ghana my Oforikrom my KNUST ene Oforikrom Nadmu regional Nadmu ana yehye mu KNUST ene due na insure eto last week Thursday ekofa flooding for the first time yehu bi da our KNUST campus anim say catch social media attention ma the whole Ghana obi ehu ne ekoso tech no Nyamencha the last week Thursday the Sanso do toye. Adechi Friday na Nyankopon ya admin saka excavators me through our regional minister and our MCE and our regional NADMO director. And na Saturday ye share Jumanasi our KNUST campus and MC. Ye guso atiti nsuo num. Ya dredging ye share Saturday atwemi. Sunday ye nra ye beto aso.
And then Monday, we should be doing a good air coso. I think so no man, so no air flow. And to Jumadia so far, no. We believe, sir, yet million could see 3 hours. Definitely, there's not going to be any flooding again on this KNUST campus. Not ever again.
Sure.
Next year, no, very unfortunate. But we are working around the clock to make sure, say, it does not repeat itself on KNUST campus.
Now, over the years, yeah, dredging, what do you say? See, now, a moon is. And the US is on. Since you know, trust what I do, what I pass on. Now, ever float the pump. Then I was now. It did more. I could see the ocean. Yeah, machinery, you come. I'm a Siano. So no air flow at natural pace at say. Now, so far, you can say so to see. You see, last week Thursday, you've been to see you more and see you. But in real, before a day, you're gradually, like I said, future occurrence behind day, and maybe out KNUST campus. But I prestigious university, I didn't hear pass. The new person be said, I also have to see.
Honorable Raphael Atampori, a assemblyman or Mpatemu, and a fence was a drip coordinator. Yenti ononso the work and semi.
And you read the who be some subjects and cry from Honorable Atampori, KNUST assemblyman. Now, last week, Thursday, I see you know. I have me as an honorable member, course neighbors are and say, yeah, na ring number to Tim said by next time is assembly CPU. Messiah drip coordinator, municipal municipal drip coordinator. Tabas and Mrs. now for Cromina, I did check when I did to go to the minimum hassle. In Tabas and I said, link you for region. Didn't pay 4 days, visa didn't pay for set by a bit more about tea. I soon set by a next time because my Kaipa is almost 45 years in a team. And no, I see. And a problem crowd for KNUST as I problem in Panama, I soon intimate Banpaye. O my failure, your wall no, our sign gate to Honor baby, one night cheap. It's not my no qua, not some sign. A qua not some sign. Because yeah, busy I sees that our hazard. Na sana sa feeling na ya of course ntina sana mni nyina yere abaye mini anya say ya twen ma asem ni si ansana ya di solution na ba na nim hantina asem ni si ya na tracy up I am saying about 3 days ago na di register nyina me ka ho team na tracy up and then mo phone nyina na ko na hu say because now ya ntiase enta ya tracy no ku na say hu say ahono mo na ye problem no and then no problem. It's a say solve. It's a no, I am say your boy Abbas and no more from the report no come minister. And now he say bit my no problem, a bit more solve.
To Professor David Asamoah, and so your pro vice chancellor, I will Kwame Nkrumah School Ponimo. And also there were
you know, KNUST, we do what we call hybrid. We do both face-to-face and also lecturing through the internet facility. So when that thing happened, immediately we send messages to all the students that everybody should stay in their halls and use the means of electronic for their lectures. So all the lectures organize lessons and lectures through the electronic media online system. So that is what we did, and to ensure that at the end of the day we desilt and dredge, do the dredging of the waterway before the water subsides.
Nekura Asante mantem hu atomanchem bremu apoafo panimpa wadano Alhaji Muhammad Nasir Ibrahim ono nso nsem a wokafa eye esu aye timu ene se ebeboa ama atorenchem etesa ensi biom nso yenti na no disem.
Well, it's very unfortunate. This is my alma mater. But more importantly, we have about 80,000 plus residents like on campus alone. That's what was component. Plus, it is the Citadel
of knowledge in the Ashanti region. And then, of course, our revered king is our chancellor. So you see, there's more reason to protect this. And I was just telling somebody, the largest greenery, perhaps in Ashanti region, one community is here. Some districts, the whole district doesn't have some of this greenery and all of that. So it's something we have to protect with all our capacity. So when the unfortunate incident appeared, we were all listed. Luckily, through the university administration, they reached out to the regional minister, who immediately contacted us on Friday afternoon. So we have had machine, the necessary support. We have 2 excavators. We have a load bed that can move them from one location to the other. And we are quickly desilting and dredging. What that does is that it expands the waterway. All the weeds and the filth and the debris that have accumulated, we clear them. And then the water gets to flow. Like the regional minister rightly mentioned, upstream and downstream, like Koforukrum and then Asokwa, there are some physical developments that are not healthy for the place. And so if the rainwater or the usual stream starts out and there are blockades, then you can imagine that it will return. But as it is returning, some more water is coming, then there's a clash. Those things lead to the flooding that we don't like. So yes, we are doing something, and like we anticipated after our discussions he met earlier in the year, we realized that we're going to have more than usual rains, and so we already wrote and engaged all the assemblies in Greater Kumasi, 11 of them, to start the desilting and dredging. And so far, I can mention on authority about 13 packages have been done. Last year we did a total of 21. This year we are hoping to do more because KNUST was not included. Now look at what we are seeing. ASAFO was not included. Now ASAFO is getting flooded. So we have expanded. Our assessment has revealed more places that need attention. And what it does is that the debris, the filth, once we take it away, the waterway has now expanded access. But those others who build on the banks, filling it with sand, those ones, the regional minister has authority as a rep of the His Excellency the President, and he has tasked us to go and get them to show us their permits, develop a kind of report, situational report, that will give him a basis to decide if they should go down.
Implemented Yehune say Asante Mantem Commissar, Honorable Dr. Frank Amoakohene, or Bar Pro or Shijuma, Ekoso, Ewa. Osukasia, a toy ma a sewer a dark coming Kroma school ponmu, a yiri faso, a chila 70 horns a sheye, and open so 109, a chili ponso de hon amanebo, a bremo, midi, Kofi Puku.